Hi there, and welcome to Code Rush with Gaurav, where we break down AI core concepts, tools, trends, and updates into small and consumable chunks so that our learnings becomes easy. In this video, we're going to look at top 10 open source available tools that are out there in the market, available for free, which you can use for your daily productivity. Today, we end up using a lot of tools that are paid, that require subscription, either monthly or yearly, and we end up paying a lot, which could be either video making, content generation, image generation, coding, or connecting to various models from your local system. Now, these tools, please keep in mind, some of them require a very high-end configuration, and they may not work well with your system configuration. So take it with a pinch of salt, and let us explore what is available out there. Let's get started.
Tool number 1. OpenMontage, an agentic video generator. First up is OpenMontage, the first fully agentic video production pipeline. Usually, if you want to make an explainer video, you need stock video sites, an editing suite, an AI voiceover generator, and sound effects. OpenMontage replaces all of that with a single prompt. You literally point your coding agent at the OpenMontage repository and type one line. Generate a 40-second video about a lightning storm over the ocean at night with voiceover explanation. OpenMontage goes out, scrapes real video clips, picks the best footage, cuts them together with color grading, writes a script, generates narration using a calm documentary voice, and layers background audio. Why it replaces paid tools. Instead of paying $30 per month for tools like Nvidia or Hagen, you get an agent that handles research, footage selection, editing, and audio mixing automatically. Tool number 2 is Ideogram 4.0 Local Flux for pixel-perfect text in images. If you've ever tried rendering logos, poster art, or UI mockups using traditional AI image generators, you know the frustration. The text usually looks like ancient alien hieroglyphics. Ideogram's 4.0 update fixes typography in AI art completely. You prompt a retro vintage typewriter on a dark wooden desk with the words Chapter 1 typed on paper. And every single letter renders cleanly with proper spacing and lighting integration. You can use Ideogram's free web tier or pull their OpenWeight's alternative locally to auto-generate UI assets, logos, and YouTube thumbnails without a Midjourney or Dolly subscription. Tool number 3 is VoiceBox, Qwen 3TS. It is for zero-shot local voice cloning. Tool number 3 is VoiceBox, built on the Qwen 3TS speech architecture. Paid platforms like ElevenLabs charge by the character for high-quality voice cloning. VoiceBox lets you clone any voice locally using just a 10 to 15-second audio sample. Here's how easy it is. Drag a short audio clip of your voice into the UI. Paste the transcript of what you said so the model aligns the phonemes. Type whatever text you want your AI clone to speak. In under 30 seconds, it generates crystal clear narration that matches your tone and speech cadence. It's ideal for video voiceovers, faceless YouTube channels, or adding voice interaction to your local AI agents. Tool 4 is Nvidia Nemotron 3 Ultra, the 550B parameter coding brain. Tool number 4 is a monster model straight from Nvidia, Nemotron 3 Ultra. This is a 550 billion parameter model that Nvidia open-sourced for developers. When paired with local runners like Ollama or LM Studio, it acts as a self-correcting coding brain. When you ask Nemotron 3 to build an application, for example, an interactive EMI loan calculator with dynamic charts in a single HTML file, it doesn't just output raw code. It actually validates its own syntax, catches runtime errors in a headless browser test, and fixes them before presenting you the finished file. Pro tip for vibe coders: connect Nemotron 3 into your local cursor or VS Code extension setup. You get near GPT-4o level reasoning with zero usage limits. Tool 5 is OmniRoute that gives you free unlimited token proxy gateway. If you run agentic coding workflows all day, you know the scary pop-up that says rate limit reached or API key quota exceeded. Tool number 5, OmniRoute, solves this problem completely. It acts as an intelligent local proxy gateway that connects to over 236 LLM providers, 90% of which offer free tiers, like Grok, OpenRouter free tiers, Together AI, and Google AI Studio. When your local agent makes an API call, OmniRoute dynamically routes the request to the fastest available free model. If one endpoint hits a rate limit, OmniRoute instantly falls back to another without breaking your agent's execution loop. It gives you effectively unlimited model tokens every month for zero cost. Tool number 6 is Meetily, a 100% private local AI meeting assistant. Number 6 is Meetily, a private, local meeting recorder and summarizer. Cloud note takers like Otter.ai or Fireflies cost monthly fees and send confidential client calls or proprietary code discussions to external servers. Meetily runs small local models like Whisper and GemmaQuinn directly on your laptop CPU or GPU. No external bot joins your call. It captures live mic audio, generates real-time transcripts, and creates action item summaries. 100% offline security, ideal for NDA client meetings or private development syncs. Tool number 7 is Easy Diffusion or Fooocus. It's for one-click local image generation. If you avoided setting up local image generation because Comfy UI or automatic 1111 looked too intimidating, Easy Diffusion is the answer. It's a clean, single-click installer that turns your local GPU into a full image creation engine. It has some cool features like preset styles, photorealistic, anime, 3D render, vector art, negative prompt controls, and batch generation. Zero technical setup required. Your agent installs dependencies with a single terminal command. Tool number 8 is Open Generative AI Studio with 200 plus models in one local dashboard. Open Generative AI Studio. Think of this as the Swiss Army knife for content creators and vibe coders. Instead of subscribing to separate platforms for video generation, voice synthesis, lip syncing, and background removal, this dashboard unifies over 200 open source and open weights models into a single interface. You can swap between models like Flux, Kling integrations, and open video diffusion pipelines with one click. Tool number 9 is Palmir Pro. It is an open source AI timeline video editor. Number 9 is Palmir Pro, an open source nonlinear video editor designed specifically to interface with AI coding agents. Unlike traditional NLEs like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, Palmir Pro exposes its editing timeline to agents via API WebSocket. What this means for you? Your AI agent can cut silent gaps automatically, auto-generate animated typography and captions, add ambient AI background music synced to visual cuts. Tool 10 is Hyperframes, a tool for code-driven 3D motion graphics. Our final tool is Hyperframes, an open-source framework that converts code into 3D motion graphics videos. If you don't know, After Effects or Cinema 4D Hyperframes allows you or your AI agent to describe a 3D scene programmatically. You prompt your agent. Create an 8-second 1080p video with liquid glass ribbons twisting in a dark studio setting with cinematic lighting. Hyperframes executes headless browser, rendering frame by frame, and exports a crisp MP4 video ready for publication.